Mathematics. Chapter 16 from NSEM 9th edition, Syllabus Asian Mathematics by Shin Publications. The more difficult problems, the red problems. A toy train moves in a straight line so that its displacement s meters from a fixed point is given by is equal to 2t cubed minus 4t squared plus 2t minus 1, where t is the time measured from the start of the motion. Find I the values of t when the toy is at rest, I time intervals during which the velocity is positive, and I the time intervals during which the velocity is negative. Yes.
Dream speed running and some kinematics. Oh wait, these are the clones. See, there are many clones. And the next one's also never mind. The clones.
Particle moves in a straight line so that its displacement s meters in a fixed point O is given by s is equal to 2 sine t plus cosine t. Reduce the time in seconds after passing O. Find expressions for its velocity, v meters over second, and acceleration, a meters over second to the second, s to the second power at time t. Hence, or otherwise show that v squared plus s squared equals 5, and s is equal to
Negative low battery.
acceleration. That negative.
clone. There.
Yes. Good job.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.